Good afternoon, everyone. Matt Metrick with Performance Architects here to provide an initial definition of a few of the topics we'll be talking about this afternoon. Obviously, when we have a webinar entitled Implementing Business Analytic Applications with Exalytics, it makes sense to define those goals. From a performance architect standpoint, business analytics is defined as really the future of different types of reporting and classical forecasting processes. Business analytics is now comprised of solutions really to focus on not only what is going on currently through various analyses, capabilities, be it data mining, but also get into predictive analytics and what possible scenarios could create for business performance. That coupled with an application from a standpoint of a piece of software or a program designed to fulfill a particular purpose to the user is really how it all comes together, as we'll talk about here as the presentation goes along. So as we've done a number of different presentations, what we found is that the business analytics concept is somewhat of a controversial target. What we find is that classically some folks have thought that the disciplines of business intelligence, enterprise performance management, and then the newly formed business analytics capabilities were somewhat overlapping, but each with their own purpose. Certainly others had different views that were more rigid in the sense of business intelligence, EPM, and business analytics were completely distinct and had no overlap. And some even say that business intelligence and business analytics are the same, and EPM is therefore separate from a process and technology perspective. At Performance Architects, what our opinion is that both EPM and BI are necessary parts of a full-featured and overall business analytics strategy and process, and really is what organizations should embrace going forward. So what BA and business analytics provides in conjunction with some of the classic BI and EPM functions are really focusing on developing and delivering more informative and near real-time information to organizations in order to make better informed decisions. What that comes from is as technologies are integrating and as well as advancing, what we see is the ability to bring in both unstructured and big data, if you will, coming from a variety of different sources into and integrated with the more traditional structured pieces of data that organizations have available to them. And additionally, what we see is that many vendors are coming into really the sweet spot from a technology standpoint of marrying the business analytics capabilities with the traditional BI and EPM technology. What this provides overall to organizations is really a value proposition that delivers fast, effective business decisions based on data, models, algorithms that can be proven out rather than intuition or gut feels based on someone who's been doing it for 15 or 20 years. It's the ability to develop new understandings and discover new correlations of business performance, business performance that predict future capabilities that are not just guesstimates but can be driven on different types of calculations and even refined over